Well, folks, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been 2 or 3 weeks since I've put out a video, but been kind of busy working on stuff at the house. I hadn't had time to get a lot done, but it's time to start getting a little inventory on the deer at home here. So we're gonna fill the feeder up today and put out a few cameras, see what we got this year. Stick with us. A tip for you to keep the coons and squirrels off of your feeders. I rigged mine up with a electric fence charger. I've got wire around running up the legs. I used it last year. It worked pretty good. Come back for more tips. We'll try to set this one here up where we can monitor the scrape and the feeder at the same time. I'll give you a look, see what it's looking at. That's from they scrape underneath this limb right here, and then the feeders. So I should be able to get both from right there. Anyway, on to the next one. Got the same deal going on right here with this one. Got it facing scrape right up here on the point. Also monitoring the clover. See what it picks up. All right, folks, we're gonna do a little food plot update. You're gonna see it same as me. I haven't been over here in probably 3-4 weeks. We're gonna see what the peas and the corn look like, and the screening that I planted along the edge coming out on it now. Let's see what it looks like. Corn looks pretty decent, but the stupid cockleburs is back again. Looks like the squirrels is tearing a lot of the corn down, coons, deer. Anyway, that's what the corn looks like. I'm afraid my peas have been eaten completely up. Man alive, them peas has been mowed off. Wow. Well, you can tell I hadn't been over here. This place is a mess. Cuckleburs. And this, the deer can't even find the peas for the cuckleburs. I mean, wow. Corn looks pretty decent. It's not very even. Of course, as y'all know, I broadcasted it. Anyway, let's get this camera up right here. Everybody knows I like to doctor on these thicket branches. This is one of them that I have the vine like Jeff Sturgis talks about, but I always add a oak limb to it. They seem to like that pretty good. Anyway, got that one rigged up. Got the camera over our monitor, and I'm going to use a cell camera here. Let's see what we see. This one here, we're going to have a monitoring this mineral lick right here. Got a pretty good mineral lick overlooking this food plot and the corn and everything. Anyway, I got a mess with cuckleburrs. Man, this is... I'll end up having to spray that before I can plant my fall plot. But anyway, that's another day. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, riddle me this. Why do these peas look so good? They were planted the exact same time as those two patches over there. And these, as you can see, they're waist high to me. Well, what's the difference? Everything was planted the exact same fertilizer, same seed, same day. And I mean, these are getting eat too. I mean, you can see right there. Those over there are just completely mowed off. Huh. It's a mystery. I think I'm gonna put one right here. I'm gonna monitor the corner of this bean field right here. Their beans look about as bad as my peas do. But anyway, there's a lot of deer come out in this corner, so I'm gonna put one here, run it for a month or so, just see if we can get some velvet bucks out here in these beans. There you go, folks. Got her mounted up there, overlooking this corner right here. And they'll probably scrape under that pine limb right there. Anyway, let's see what comes out here. Well, folks, that's gonna wrap this one up. We got 5 cameras out here on the home farm. We're gonna get a little inventory, see what we got this year. Man, it is humid this afternoon, but we got it done. I got one more I'd like to put up down at the creek crossing, but running out of daylight. I want to go ahead and get this one wrapped up, so we'll go put it up another day. And if you like this content, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, drop me a comment. It don't cost nothing to subscribe. But come back for the next one. Need to start practicing on my one sticking and my climbing, rappelling stuff. I need to get all that done. So we'll make some more videos coming up. I still want to go get a fishing video done, but seems like I just can't find the time to go do it. But we're gonna stop one day. I need to take my little nephew Camden. I need to take him fishing. He loves to fish, so I'm gonna have to take time, get out there with him. So that'll be upcoming too. But anyway, stick around for the next one. And as always, I hope everybody's had a great day. Hope everybody has a great week, and God bless.